Hello guys, myself Hiten Chawda. Today we will know how India's most popular beauty and cosmetic brand make its presence in Indian market, its business model and growth story. This video is all about Lakme. So let's start the video.
Did you know India's iconic cosmetic brand Lakme was the idea of Jawaharlal Nehru? In the early 15s, Jawaharlal Nehru noticed an issue with cosmetic industry. He was concerned about the Indian middle and upper class women giving away valuable foreign exchange to buy cosmetic from the Western brand. He noticed that there were no Indian cosmetic brand in the Indian market to compete with the foreign brand. So he asked industrialist J.R.D. Tata to step in to find the solution. So Tata Group established the first Indian cosmetic company, Lakme, at Jawaharlal Nehru's request in 1952. Know more about Lakme. Lakme is an Indian cosmetic brand which is owned by Hindustan Unilever, having Shraddha Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor as the brand ambassador. It ranked at number 1 among the cosmetic brand in India. Lakme started as a 100% subsidiary of Tata Oil Mills Tomco. It was a name after the French opera Lakme, which is itself the friend from the Devi Lakshmi, the Hindu's goddess of wealth, who is renowned for her beauty. It was started in 1952 famously because Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was concerned that Indian women were spending precious foreign exchange on beauty products and personally requested J.R.D. Tata to manufacture them in India. Simon Tata joined the company as a director, went on the becoming the chairperson.
In 1996, Tata sold off their stake in Lakme Liver to HUL, Hindustan Unilever, for rupees 200 crore, $45 million.
Launched in 1980s, Lakme is the first beauty brand that got Indian women to fall in love with makeup. In fact, the brand started gaining popularity when actor Rekha, a Bollywood icon known for the bold and earthy makeup of aesthetic, became the face of the brand. Her campaigns for Lakme inspired women across the country to experiment with coal eyes and broady brown lips. 3 decades later, they are still the biggest player in the Indian market and take pride in being the most trusted name in beauty here. If we had to tell Lakme story in one line, they were responsible for making beauty an essential part of the Indian woman's daily routine. Lakme is known for offering a wide range of beauty and skincare products with continuous innovation. The brand also extends its beauty services and product offering through their network of Lakme beauty salons across the country. They offer products with different price range and they also ensure that there are catering to multiple segments. You can find lipsticks all the way from INR 299 to 800, nail paints from INR 150 all the way to their higher end gel nail paint priced at INR 499. Lakme's idea is for their buyers to have fun with makeup and experiment, and their pricing make it possible to do that. Segmentation, targeting, positioning in the market strategy of Lakme. Lakme has used customer groups such as individual customers and the professional through its network salon and the varied need of the customer in the area of beauty, hair care, makeup and skin care as a basic of segmentation. It has targeted to the young and upper middle class customer who have enough disposable income and want to show off their beauty. The brand has been positioned as the India's largest and biggest beauty care and cosmetic brand, reaching out of nook and corner of the country. Social media engagement through Lakme Fashion Week page has helped the brand in increasing 225% reach to the target segment, thereby resulting in increasing in the sales by 20%. Distribution strategy in the marketing strategy of Lakme. The supply chain of the company hovers around quality, customer service, creating customer delight, end-to-end quality focus, cost-saving programs for the customers and partnering with suppliers. In form of Lakme Lever Private Limited (LLPL), the company has 360 salons, out of which 60 salons are owned and managed by LLPL and 300 are franchise salons. Additionally, brand Lakme market and distribution its offering through its existing network of the distribution of its parent company, Unilever, and e-commerce. LLP has manufacturing facilities across the country wherein the Lakme products are manufacturing, but Unilever's other brand products like Dove are also produced through these facilities. Competitive analysis in the marketing strategy of Lakme. A rise of herbal and Ayurvedic products are turning out to be a major competitor of beauty and cosmetic brand like Lakme. Brand competes on the basis of the strong portfolio, deep assortment within the product categories which give customers ample choice and options within the brand and easy availability of the products through various mediums, retail outlets, e-commerce sites and wholesalers. Additionally, through Lakme Fashion Week brand has been creating visibility and easy acceptability of the brand in the market. Lakme competes with companies in the industry such as L'Oreal, The Body Shop, Himalaya Herbals, Revlon and Ponds.
Lakme business model. Lakme Liver, the beauty and wellness services business, has restructured its business model. Lakme Liver may also option for a joint venture with a mall developer or a real estate major once the new business model is in place. This move by Hindustan Levers Lakme is an attempt to take on aggressive competitors viewing to capture the growing spending of Indian consumer on personal grooming. There were 120 Lakme salons across the country. Lakme Liver's hybrid business model, a handful of company-owned salons and over 100 franchisee run, will now be tweaked in favor of more company-owned salons. The new business model will also involve launching another top-end variant, Lakme Studio. The salon is also being geared to be specialized retail point to market Lakme's personal care product. Lakme Liver has shut down a couple of company-owned Lakme salons which will be relaunched at high-end specialized beauty center, Lakme Studio. The remaining lot of 118 Lakme salons are also being refurbished. Lakme campaigns. The business model of Lakme also rests on some specific campaigns that play a big role in making the brand a household name. One such campaign has been the Lakme Makeup Pro, wherein the customers can use augmented reality and try new looks and products that best suit them. The presence on social media like Facebook as well as making celebrities brand ambassadors have also helped Lakme reach the height of success in the cosmetic market. Lakme Salon. In addition, the business model of Lakme is based on its production and marketing strategy. Production strategy of the Lakme focus on the ensuring that the brand offer the best and cheap products to its customers. The production strategy has helped the brand to overcome challenges and meet the changing demand of the customers. Further, the products offered by Lakme are customized to meet the need of Indian women, making it highly popular brand. The marketing strategy adopted by Lakme having played an important role in the success of its business model. While the products offered by the brand are varied and meet the different needs of different customers, the brand also ensures that these products are available at competitive and affordable prices. Lakme is far ahead of its rivals when it comes to offering products at low prices and high quality. Lakme also distributes its product in department stores as well as specialty stores, making them easily accessible. Additionally, promotion of products take place via advertising as well as sampling and mouth-to-mouth publicity.
Lakme Liver Private Limited's operating revenue range is INR 100 crores to 500 crores for the financial year ending on 31st March 2020. Its EBITDA has increased by 23.91% over the previous year. At the same time, its book net worth is increased by 1.67%. While the Lakme brand is worth more than the 1000 crore in revenue, cosmetic products such as eyeliners and lipsticks generate a bulk of its sales instead of beauty services. For growth perspective, note that the lipstick market size was valued at $8.2 billion in 2018 and is expected to reach $12.5 billion by 2026, registering a CAGR of 5.5% from 2019 to 2026. The brand has been ranked 36 in the most India's trusted brand list. The brand is the title sponsor of the event LFW, Lakme Fashion Week, which is the biannual event in Mumbai.
Hope you like this video. If you like this type of business case study video, then like and share this video and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. We will be meeting on next video. So thank you, take care and keep smiling.